Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. At the same time, say hello to the Lamborghini Huracan Evo, Lamborghini's latest naturally aspirated V10 all-wheel drive masterpiece. The Huracan has been around since 2014 and has seen various upgrades, special editions and track versions. However, this is the latest one, taking inspiration and data from the previous Performante car, which was a track-focused Lamborghini Huracan. This one has taken all the experience of all the previous versions and put it in a street-legal road car. What makes this car special is the naturally aspirated V10. Producing 630 horsepower, it does 0 to 100 in 2.9 seconds. It is mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. It comes with all-wheel drive, torque vectoring, magnetic dampers, and a host of other technological features from Lamborghini which are completely new to this car. But what puts it all together is Lamborghini's new LDVI computer system. Now this computer system is what makes stupid and idiotic drivers like me feel like driving gods. LDVI also has a predictive driving setup. That means it senses what the driver is going to do and prepares the car to give you the exact amount of performance that you need. Now, this is one of the few cars that reminds me of an F-16 fighter rather than a car. But what Lambo has done with the Huracan is given it a new front diffuser over here. It's even managed the underbody airflow to give more aerodynamic performance. Come, let me show you a few more things. It's got a new ducktail spoiler over here so that the air is channeled more smoothly, making it 7 times more aerodynamic than the previous versions. It also has the new integrated exhaust system taken from the Performante. Coming to the interiors of the Huracan Evo, Lamborghini has done a decent job. I love the aircraft style switch gear, which adds to the drama of owning a Lamborghini, and drama is what this car is all about. The other big change that Lamborghini has done is put this 8.4-inch touchscreen display. Now this display is easy, precise to use. You know exactly what you are doing. The steering feels light initially, but builds up weight as you progressively speed up, giving you the confidence to push the Huracan harder and faster. The steering is quite easy to manage at city speeds, making this an easy daily driver in the city. When you brake at high speeds, the car starts twitching a bit, adding to its character in a good way, also inspiring a fun element to the car. Even though this car has a 7-speed dual clutch transmission, the gearbox at times feels a bit confused, making you want to change the gears manually, adding to the joy in driving this car. One odd thing is that even though there is pretty much all the controls on the steering wheel as well, there is no volume control on the Lambo steering wheel, and you have to keep touching the screen down for it, which is quite distracting. Ergonomics wise also, the layout is a bit confusing and you always have to pay attention to where you're going to keep your stuff. Lamborghini has done a lot of weight saving measures on this car. Example, the seats have no automatic settings. All the seat settings are completely manual and you have to manually adjust the seats to your liking. Even the seats are made of carbon fiber. Surprisingly, they are comfortable enough for long distance driving. The steering on the Huracan Evo is quite accurate, letting you place the car precisely where you want it to be. It almost knows exactly where you want to go. Parking the car, air conditioning, infotainment. Lamborghini has made this car so easy to live with on a daily basis that you wouldn't mind having this as your daily driver. Now when you think Lamborghini, you think mad, you think aggressive, you think crazy. This ticks all the boxes in the looks department. It is so easy to live with on a day-to-day basis that you would actually think Lamborghini managed to tame the raging bull. Huracan in Spanish means hurricane, and with this car, Lamborghini have managed to tame the hurricane.